we're gonna be making the juiciest, the fattest, the cheesiest, the tastiest burgers you've ever seen. It's gonna be intense. As you can see, we're gonna be making some juicy loosies. Throwing down our brisket first. Look at that piece of meat, it's beautiful. We're gonna cube it up, cut it into 1 inch, 1.5 inch cubes. Oh, it looks perfect. Now we're doing our chuck roast. Throw that bad boy down, slap it for good luck, cube it up as well. Perfect mixture of chuck roast and brisket. Getting out our number 12 household meat grinder for this. Let's throw some meat into the chute. Doing a coarse grind on it first. It's like playing with Play-Doh as an adult. Looks good. Now we're gonna actually change the plates, put our fine plate on there, and our burger press. Yeah, here we go. All right, stuffing the meat in there again. We're gonna fill up our burger press. It's gonna make perfect 1/4 pound patties. Look at that, throw it down, slap it for good luck. We're gonna take the finest gourmet American cheese you can find, throw it in the middle, push the 2 1/4 pound patties together, and lightly pinch the edges, form a 1/2 pound burger patty. We're gonna throw it in our 10 by 13 size vacuum bags. We're gonna be using our A100 and running a pulse vac function because we don't want to smash our patties. And then you're gonna press the seal button to seal the bag, and we recommend doing a secondary seal as well. Then we're gonna be throwing our juicy loosies into the jacuzzi, and we're gonna be cooking them at 134 for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Now we're gonna be making our sauce. Use a little mayo, some ketchup, a little mustard, some relish, and kick it up a little bit with some Cholula. Mix that all together. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. Use some good brioche buns. Throw them in the pan, slap them for good luck. Nice and toasted. Remove the juicy loosies from the jacuzzi. Now we're gonna pat them dry, remove any excess moisture off of them. And you know what to do. Slap it for good luck. And season the burgers aggressively with some salt and pepper. Bam. Heat up some oil in the pan, get it nice and hot. Ooh, you hear that sizzle? And yes, slap it again for good luck, but don't burn yourself. All right, look at that, browning up the burger, looking good. All right, our patty's done. It's time to sauce it up. Spread it around evenly. Put the burger patty down. Throw some crispy bacon on there, because everything's better with bacon. Squish that top bun down. Oh, let's look at this cross section, guys. Oh, that gooey, ooey gooey cheese looks so good. That's it, they're done. Look how beautiful these look. Some juicy loosey burger. I'm gonna take a taste test here. Try the product out. Oh yeah. That's perfect. Good crispy bacon on there. Cheese is warm and gooey in the middle. The meat is done perfect. I think we got ourselves another winner, guys. You know the deal. Hit the like and subscribe button. We're done.
We're done.
We're done. Peace out. We'll be back for some more awesome videos coming up soon. Again, thanks for watching. Peace out.